Hi, I'm Urvashi Chawla, and today I want to discuss why is it that sometimes we are not able to accomplish our goals even when we tried our best. So let me share my own personal example. In my 10th standard, I wanted to score 94.3 percentage and I tried my best for it. I studied really hard, I gave a lot of written exams, I had all my concepts clear, yet the result was not what I was expecting. And I was very disheartened back then, and I kind of lost all the trust in the goal setting system because I had made my goals smart, I had even made a visualization board. So I was very disappointed, but after a certain time I thought of analyzing the whole experience and figuring out what was wrong. So here's what is important. Before we jump on to knowing how we can set our goals, it is very important to know what kind of goals do we set for ourselves. So today we are going to discuss what are the two kind of goals and which one should we opt for. Now, the first kind of goal is a performance-based goal which depends on the result. For example, the one I had about scoring 94.3 percentage or something like I want to lose 3 kgs in X number of days. You see, the focus is on getting the end results. Okay. On the other hand, the action-based kind of goals are where you focus on what actions are you going to take. So for example, I will study for 5 hours daily, or I will follow a no sugar diet or no junk food diet. So you see, whether you follow a performance-based goal or an action-based goal, you are working towards the common vision, that is, you want to perform well academically or you want to stay more fit. But the way you frame your goal is different. You either frame it to get the end result or you either frame it in what action you are going to take. Now coming back to my example, I had a performance-based goal which focused on getting the end result. But there were two things majorly wrong with that goal. The first being the end result was not in my locus of control. That means I had no say in whether what I do will actually give me that result. So even though I study well, I write well, the result will depend also on the paper checker. How does he feel about my answer, or how does the paper checker perceives my answer is not something in my control. So when you keep a performance-based goal, remember that the end result should be in your locus of control. It is something that largely depends on you. You have the power to actually get the entire result. The second thing which was majorly wrong with my performance-based goal was that I had no prior data or knowledge to justify my goal. That means I had no idea how much could I score if I studied well. So if I have a previous data and I know that okay, if I study well I'll score 85%, now with extra effort I make a goal of scoring 90% because I know that based on my prior experience, if I put in extra effort, that is something that I can keep a goal as. Now that being said, you need to understand what kind of goal suits you the best. Are you the kind of person who just needs something to focus on and by hook or crook you can achieve it? Or are you kind of the person who believes more on the line of do your best, leave the rest, and you just need a goal so that you can take more efforts for achieving it? So keeping this in mind, set your goals based on your convenience without making the two mistakes which I made. That is, your end result has to be in your locus of control and that you should have some prior experience in it to have a performance-based goal. That's it from my side. Hope you set the right goals for yourself this year, and don't forget to like, comment and share. Also, if you love listening to me, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.